everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how you doing? Today I'm gonna be doing a review on a hair company that I ordered from off of AliExpress. I forgot the name of the company, but I'll leave like the link to it like down below so you can check it out if you want to. If you don't, doesn't matter. But yeah, I forgot the name of the company, but the hair I got is a Peruvian water wave hair, and it's in the color 99J. So yeah, I got a closure, a 14-inch closure, and 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 22. So right now I'm getting the water ready for me to wash the bundles and stuff, and yeah. And the shampoo that I'll be using is the Aussie Miracle Curl shampoo, and I used to use this on my natural hair for like a long time, but then I switched back over to Shea Moisture. But if I was to run out of Shea Moisture, then I would most definitely go back to Aussie Miracle Curls. What am I saying? But yeah, this is my first time like actually washing a closure and washing bundles and stuff. So if I'm doing it wrong, just tell me, you know, room for improvement and stuff, right? So yeah, it's my first time actually washing the closure and bundles and stuff, and actually doing the process of making the wig, and I think I did a pretty good job. So now I'll be using the Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner, and y'all, this conditioner has so much slip, like it's bomb, like I don't know what. And right now I'm just running the conditioner through the hair, and like it's just gliding right through the hair. Like, I mean, before I washed it and everything, like when I run my fingers through it, it wasn't no tangles or anything, but the conditioner made it like so like easy to finger comb through and stuff. And with the conditioner, I just let it sit for like, honestly, I don't know how long, because I let it sit and then I went and took a shower, got ready and stuff, and went back and washed it out. Simple as that. And basically I did this whole process like throughout the whole thing, like washing the closure and bundles the same way, just like how you regularly wash your own hair. So it's nothing complicated, it's just easy and common sense. And after I washed the hair and left the conditioner on for, I don't even know how long I left the conditioner on the hair, honestly, because after I put the conditioner on, I went, took a shower, brushed my teeth and stuff and everything, washed my face, did my whole skincare routine, came back and washed the conditioner off and wring out most of the water, and I'm now gonna let it air dry. So this is the hair now. The closure, 18-inch, 20-inch, and 22-inch. And from all 3 of these bundles and the closure, this how much shedding that happened. So honestly, I'm very surprised, to be honest, because I thought it would be more shedding. But I mean, some people will complain saying, oh, that's too much shedding. Like, no, like this is not too much shedding at all. Like this is less shedding than I would have with my own natural hair, and I have 4C hair, well 4B 4C hair. Yeah, so yeah, this all the shedded hair that came out when I washed it and conditioned it and washed the conditioner out. This is how much hair I got. So not too bad. The only con about the hair is that it has a weird smell to it. Like I don't know what the smell is like. I can't tell you like the distinct smell, but it has a smell to it. But after you wash and condition it, you can still smell it a little bit, but it's not as potent and stuff. But I think once I put product and stuff in it, and you know, do my little styles and everything, then the smells from the products will hopefully get rid of the smell. Yeah, so honestly, I couldn't take the smell of the hair. Like, it was giving me a headache. I thought I could have put up with it, but it just got worse over time. So I just put some fabric softener, like 2 caps full of fabric softener, and like diluted it with some water, and I put like the hair, the closure, and everything inside the bag. So after I washed the fabric softener solution out the hair, like honestly it smelled so much better. But right now I'm cutting the ties off the hair, and then I'm just going to unravel the hair that was already bundled up and everything, just so it can air dry a little bit more faster than having it all still tied up together in one bundle. And the way I did it was that I folded it in threes so it could fit on a wire hanger that I had, and then I was going to clip it. Well, I did clip it on the hanger, and I just hung it up in my room, like on the door or any place that you could hang it up where it could dry fast. So the only thing I did was put the closure on the wig. Sorry I didn't record like me putting the closure on the wig. I didn't have my thing with me at the moment, but the only thing I did was put the wig cap on the mannequin. This is a 22 circumference head mannequin, and then I put the closure on, and I put the closure like this far from the wig cap thing, and then I pinned the front down, and then I pinned the two sides down on each side. One right there, other one's right there, and then I pinned the back middle down, and then this side down from the back. So yeah, that's all I did. And right now I'm about to braid this hair because, to be honest, it's all over the place. So yeah. So right now I'm going to start sewing the closure onto the wig cap. So I started off like at the band, but not like at the end of where the closure begins. I just started off where the closure and the band met. And when I first put my needle through, I don't go through the elastic band. I just went through the black net that covers the elastic band, because if you go through the elastic band, well, at least from videos that I've watched before, if you go through the elastic band, then it won't have enough stretch, and then it won't fit right. So that's what I did. And then I just started doing like a basic sewing method, basic sewing, because it's my first time making a wig. So I just did the whole basic under, like through the net and then through the closure and stuff. And I just did that on that one side, and then the other side I did the same thing, but I didn't stop at the ends of it. I just went around and connected it to the other side, if you understand what I'm saying. And like I said before, I stopped at the end on the first side, and then on the other side I did the exact same thing. Started the needle through the net instead of the elastic band, and then started sewing, doing the basic sewing and stuff. And instead of me stopping at the other end, I just did it all the way around so it could connect to the other side where I stopped at. So right now I am sewing the bundles onto the hair. And the way I did it was I started out with the longest one, 22 inch, and I double wefted it so it could be more thicker and stuff. And I did like use the T-pin so I could stay in place of like where the tracks are and stuff. So like when I got to the T-pin, I just took that T-pin out and just kept on sewing. So yeah. And the way I sewed the tracks onto the cap is like, it's the same way that I did with the closure. I just stuck the needle, instead of me sticking the needle through the cap first, I stuck it through the tracks and then through the net of the cap, and then I just kept on sewing over and over again repetitively until I reached to the other side of the track. And sorry I didn't get like a video of me actually doing like how I went from one side to the other and went back and forth, but I did like a flip over method. Like I didn't cut the actual bundles off the hair until I got to the top, where I did like instead of double wefting it, I just did single wefts. But yeah, I didn't cut the wefts after I got to one, and I just flipped it over and then just kept on sewing again. But sorry I didn't record that. So now I have a water bottle, and I'm just going to spray the closure, and I have my tweezers and my comb with me, and I'm just going to start plucking the closure to make the hairline look more natural. So I mean, I have a video already of how I make my one of my wigs, like hairline natural and everything. So if you want to look at that and see how I did it, then that's fine. But like, it's self-explanatory. You just take little sections of the closure and you hold that down, and then you pluck behind the closure, if that makes sense. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. But if you do like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and do that other good jazz. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.